In this video, I'll show you how to generate B-roll clips with Runway. Start by signing into your Runway account and open your dashboard. Next, click Generate Video and choose the latest video generation model available in your account. After that, choose whether you want to create a video from a text prompt or from an image if you already have a reference image. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the B-roll footage you want to generate. Include the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, and cinematic style. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. Next, choose your preferred settings, such as the aspect ratio, video duration, and resolution, if those options are available. After that, upload a reference image if you want the generated B-roll to match a particular look or scene. Now click Generate and wait while Runway creates your video clip. Next, review the generated B-roll. If you're not satisfied with the result, edit your prompt, adjust the settings, or generate another version until you get the look you want. After that, once you're happy with the final clip, click Download or Export to save it to your device. Finally, import the B-roll into your video editor and combine it with your main footage to complete your project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate B-roll clips with Runway. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.